Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to create a game pass in Roblox. So as you can see, this is the official guide. So my friends, firstly, before you do anything else, let us press on start creating in the create page, and you will have to download the studio first. That's something I will do first. Alright, let us install the studio. Okay, it's now installed. It's now going to load, and of course do not forget to type in your email and password in here. Let me do that. Alright, logging in, and here's our studio. You can also start a tour. I'm just going to dismiss this. So guys, you go to experiences, and as you can see, I already have my place in here, the one I've created. And guys, in the very left top part of the screen, as you can see, you just need to tap on new experience. Alright guys, so when you are dropped into your experience, we will need to do certain things according to the official tutorial. So let us minimize this. So you just go to monetization, then passes. Of course, your server has to be supported. After that, create a pass, and you can upload an image that will basically tell the other players that they can, subscribe to you, I suppose. So you can choose your image, upload it, and you're done. Also, after that, you can get the pass ID. So in monetization passes, you will have your ID. So you will have a beautiful looking image and a pass button this way. So these are the steps to create your game pass in Roblox. Hopefully you enjoyed. Press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.